In today's video, which is going to be I-130 process, episode number 23, we're going to talk about how to prepare for your immigrant visa interview. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Mode, and welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here, my goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also US citizens regarding the immigration questions. Sometimes we talk about different topics, and also I give advice to newcomers to United States of America so they don't get into trouble. They can stay out of trouble. But today's video, like I say in the introduction, it's about NVC, how to prepare for your immigrant visa interview. Some of you guys already get your interview appointment letter. Some of you guys are waiting for your interview appointment letter. Hopefully you will get it soon. But if you are someone who already got a letter, well, you have to prepare. You have to do certain stuff before the date of your interview. Okay, first of all, once NVC is able to schedule an interview appointment for you, they're gonna send you an email. You, the intended immigrant, the petitioner. If you use agent or attorney, they're gonna send those people an email regarding your interview appointment letter, with the date and the time, the embassy. Okay, so like I said, before you go to the interview, you have to do certain stuff. The first thing is gonna be your medical examination. You have to do your medical examination. You, the intended immigrant, any family member who will come to United States of America on immigrant visa with you will go to, will do the medical examination. Any derivative applicant, who will get an immigrant visa, who apply for a visa as well, will do the medical examination. And also you have to do some vaccination. All those are based on your country, because certain country will require certain vaccination. So you have to check on which vaccination you have to take, or which medical examination you have to do in order to get your immigrant visa. All right, so once you've done with the medical examination, the physician, okay, one thing you have to know is that you cannot just go to any physician for your medical examination. It got to be a physician recommended by the U.S. consulate. Okay, so once the medical examination is done, that physician will either give you a sealed envelope you're gonna give to the consular officers, or they're gonna send the result to the U.S. Embassy themselves, the U.S. consulate themselves. All right, and then from there, the next thing you're gonna do, you have to gather all the required document you need for your interview. Okay, to go to the interview, you have to take certain document. You have to take your unexpired passport. You have to take 2 color photo. You have to take any origin of any document that you already submit to NVC National Visa Center. You have to take original or certified copy of your birth certificate. If your birth certificate is not translated into English, you have to translate it into English. You take those documents to the interview. You do not have to take your affidavit of support or any financial evidence copy to the interview. However, I will recommend you to take those documents in case they ask you. Okay, not only that, the U.S. consulate officers can ask for additional document. All right, make sure you get a you will receive a list of documents you will bring to the interview. Anyway, make sure you bring all those documents to the interview. If you don't, if there are missing documents, guess what? That will delay the whole process. The consular officer won't be able to make a decision to either give you the visa or deny you the visa. So if you have a missing document, they will ask you to come back, and maybe they do another interview before they can make a decision. So to avoid all those hassle, all those delays, make sure you take all the required documents to the interview. Another thing also is to register for courier services. Okay, you have to check with the consular officers to see if it's something they require. So it's basically a prepaid envelope you have to give to the U.S. consulate to send you your passport with the visa. Okay, in case you get a visa, even if you don't get a visa, they're gonna return you your passport anyway, so that would be another mean for them to send you your passport back. Okay, check with the consular officers. So basically those are the things you have to do to prepare yourself for your immigrant visa interview. Some of you guys who receive an interview appointment before the pandemic and were canceled, well, you have to know that once the U.S. consulate resume visa services, they will resubmit you another visa appointment. They will tell you if you're gonna do another medical examination, if you're gonna submit police clearance certificate, again, all those stuff. But make sure you contact the U.S. consulate once they resume visa services, so they will tell you, so they can tell you exactly what to do in case your visa appointment were canceled. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, hit the bell. If you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, you are new here, you like what you're seeing, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button or hit USMon logo over here. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.